how to find contacts on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do in order for us to find and interact with our contacts on Instagram is to click on our profile icon right here and then go to our following right here. You just have to click on it and you will be able to see an option that says sync contacts or find people you know. You just have to click on that and give access to your phone and to your contacts on your phone for you to be able to find them on Instagram. So you just have to allow access right here. And another way to find your contacts is to go back and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now we just have to go to Account Center and scroll down and tap Your Information and Permission. Now we just have to click on Upload Contacts right here and go to your Instagram. Now you just have to make sure that this is on so that your contacts will be able to be synced and securely stored on your Instagram. This way, you will be able to see the friends that you have on your phone to your Instagram if ever they have an Instagram account. So that's how to find contacts on Instagram.